So welcome back to our 2D platformer series. At the end of this series, you'll have all the tools you need in order to create your very own 2D platforming game. Now, one of these tools will be absolutely inevitable for you if you plan to create your game efficiently. And that's prefabs, especially prefab variants. So today let's take a look at these. But before we start, to say thank you for your support, I will create a new level for the final demo for each of our patrons with your name on it. So if you want to participate, please check it out in the description. So normally if you wanted to make changes to our level, we would just duplicate these platforms like that. But since we're screwed up, if you want to make changes to all of our platforms, especially if we are dealing with multiple levels, there's a better way. So now let's create a new folder, Prefabs, and simply drag one of our platforms in here. So we have it here as some kind of blueprint. And now let's simply replace all of them with our prefab. There's no easier way to do that. And the best thing is, if you want to make some changes to our platforms, for example change the color, we can just do it like that. And one thing that's even better is that if we want to override one of its values, like its position, its text will be bold. For example, we'll make this one red. Then the corresponding attribute will be highlighted like this. And if we make a change to our prefab again, this one will stay in its personalized form. And our level is still working exactly the same. Alright, and don't forget that you can revert those like that. But now what if you want to have this one like as our base prefab, and these ones like childs of it, but, well, we still want to have some kind of prefab for them. And that's where prefab variants come into play. So the best way to achieve that is to make our spikes a child of this one, and then again drag it into our prefabs folder and click prefab variant. Call it spikes. And now if we make some changes to this one, like adding the spikes, our base prefab will stay the same nonetheless. However, if we make changes to our base prefab, our spikes variant will mirror the changes, as you can see here. So let's replace those as well, and delete that. Just like that. Just take a look at how awesome it looks now. And again, our level is working perfectly fine. So if you want to find out how to add a level system to your platformer, please check out the playlist, and I'll see you next time.